This is the update for the Ryobi One Brushless push mower kit that I bought, and I had posted it a couple of weeks ago. So again, just quickly showing you, this is an easy push start mower. So unlike the old mowers, or we still have those mowers where you have to, the gas mowers where you have to pull, and you take all your arm strength to pull it to start. This one is a battery, wireless and battery usage mower. It's easy for smaller people like me because I can maneuver it easily. I don't have to worry about starting it, and I don't have to get gas for it. I just have to charge the battery. It comes with 2 batteries and a charger, of course, and very light. It has a bag for the grass, or you have the option to take it off, which is what I did. It's not very loud, not heavy, so this is just quick start like that, and you can just start moving with ease. There is a grass compartment that you would need to check if you're not using the bag or the basket, and you do have an adjustment on how long you want the cut to be. Right now I have it set where it's the shortest. If you are cutting long grasses, I would suggest you have to put it to change the adjustment so it doesn't stop. Here's the one I'm talking about, so you can adjust it to where it cuts longer or shorter. And then I have it to the very shortest cut, so when I go through like longer length grasses, I just lift it up a little bit, because it does stop if you get overwhelmed with like a heavy saturation of grass. So just be aware of that. Be careful as well.